Today, we delve into a powerful natural duo: turmeric and honey. This golden combination is more than just a blend of ingredients, it's a harmonious fusion of nature's finest gifts, celebrated for its profound health benefits across cultures and generations. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, originates from the rhizomes of the curcuma longa plant. It has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for over 4,000 years. Known for its vibrant yellow hue and earthy flavor, turmeric symbolizes healing and vitality. Honey, on the other hand, is nature's sweet nectar, produced by bees from the pollen of flowers. Its use as a food, medicine, and skin remedy dates back to ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Indians. When combined, turmeric and honey create a synergistic powerhouse, enhancing each other's healing properties to support the body and mind. Rich in antioxidants. Turmeric contains curcumin, a bioactive compound renowned for its antioxidant properties, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Honey complements this with its own antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases, such as arthritis, heart disease, and diabetes. The curcumin in turmeric works as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, while honey helps soothe inflammation in the digestive and respiratory systems. Turmeric's antimicrobial properties, coupled with honey's ability to fight off bacteria and viruses, create a shield against infections. Turmeric stimulates bile production, aiding in the digestion of fats. Honey acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Together, they promote a healthy digestive system and relieve issues like bloating and indigestion. Both turmeric and honey have antimicrobial and healing properties that are excellent for the skin. They can be used to treat acne, reduce scars, and provide a radiant glow. Honey is a natural antiseptic, and turmeric accelerates tissue repair. Together, they can be applied topically to minor wounds and cuts. Turmeric and honey support cardiovascular health by reducing bad cholesterol, improving circulation, and combating oxidative stress. Curcumin in turmeric has been studied for its potential to enhance mood and alleviate symptoms of depression. Honey's natural sugars provide a gentle energy boost without the crash. If you like what you are hearing so far, please subscribe to support the growth of our community. And don't forget to come back for more health tips and wellness advice. For optimal use of turmeric and honey, mix 1 part turmeric powder with 2 parts honey to make a golden paste, store in a clean jar, and take 1 teaspoon daily to boost immunity. To make golden milk. Warm a cup of milk, or plant-based alternative. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of honey. Stir well, don't forget to add a dash of black pepper. Brew turmeric tea using fresh turmeric root or powder. Sweeten with honey and add a slice of lemon for extra zest. Make a face mask by combining 1 tablespoon of honey with ½ teaspoon of turmeric. Apply to the face, and leave for 10 minutes before rinsing. Create a paste using equal parts turmeric and honey. Apply to minor cuts for faster healing. Studies have extensively highlighted the benefits of curcumin, turmeric's active compound. A review published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated curcumin's ability to combat inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and lower risks of chronic diseases. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Microbiology confirms honey's antibacterial properties, particularly against antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Another study in the Journal of Wound Care emphasizes honey's effectiveness in promoting wound healing. A study in the International Journal of Biochemistry and Cell Biology found that turmeric and honey together can enhance the body's antioxidant defenses. This synergy amplifies their ability to fight inflammation and infections. Here's a detailed guide on who should avoid turmeric and honey based on potential risks and contraindications. People with gallbladder issues. Turmeric can exacerbate gallstones or bile duct obstruction due to its ability to stimulate bile production. Those with bleeding disorders. Turmeric has anticoagulant properties that may increase the risk of bleeding or slow blood clotting. Individuals on blood-thinning medications. People taking warfarin, aspirin, or similar medications should avoid turmeric, as it can enhance their effects and lead to excessive bleeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. High doses of turmeric supplements may stimulate uterine contractions or pose risks during pregnancy. People with hormone-sensitive conditions, such as breast cancer, uterine cancer, or endometriosis may be aggravated by turmeric, as it can act like estrogen in some cases. Those with iron deficiency. Turmeric may interfere with iron absorption, making it unsuitable for individuals with anemia. Some people may experience allergic reactions like rashes, hives, or breathing difficulties after consuming turmeric. Large doses of turmeric can cause stomach upset, acid reflux, or diarrhea in sensitive individuals. Who should avoid honey? Infants under 1 year old. Honey can contain spores of Clostridium botulinum, which may lead to infant botulism, a rare but serious condition. People with severe allergies. Honey made from specific flowers can trigger allergic reactions in people sensitive to pollen or bee products. Diabetics. Although natural, honey is high in sugar and can spike blood glucose levels if not consumed in moderation. Individuals with low blood pressure. Honey may lower blood pressure slightly, which could be risky for those already on medication for hypotension. Those with digestive disorders. High fructose content in honey can trigger symptoms in individuals with fructose malabsorption or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. People watching calorie intake. Honey is calorie-dense, making it unsuitable for weight loss regimens if consumed in excess. Always speak to a doctor or nutritionist before incorporating these into your diet, especially in therapeutic amounts. Turmeric and honey, individually remarkable, become extraordinary when combined. Their benefits extend from boosting immunity and reducing inflammation to improving skin health and mental well-being. Backed by ancient wisdom and modern science, this golden duo remains a timeless remedy for many of life's ailments. Incorporate turmeric and honey into your daily routine, and let this natural combination unlock the path to a healthier and happier you. After all, nature often provides the simplest yet most profound solutions to our health. Thank you for joining me today. May you embrace the golden benefits of turmeric and honey in your journey to wellness. See you in the next video.